we're going to see about pharmaceutical industry, current situation and future forecast. Before COVID, government has a different plan and aim and vision about the pharmaceutical industry. They have a plan to bring this particular industry as a global market leader, and this is the only industry where FDA is allowed 100%. Today, the private sectors, they are investing huge amount in the R&D and acquisition. So this is one of the growth scale of this particular sector. If you look at the last 2 years, so the close to 8.8% of their sales they have invested in their R&D. The current market share of pharmaceutical industry is all about 3,000 pharmaceutical companies with 10,500 units across pan India. They have direct and indirect employment of close to 25 to 30 lakhs across pan India. So now the big question mark is how would be the growth for this particular industry. If you look at the last 2 year trend, the growth is all about 10 to 12%. So we are expecting close to the same 10 to 12% would be the same growth for this current financial year. In COVID situation, the pharmaceutical companies has a very good opportunity and it became the preferred alternative for the manufacturing APs, having recognized this opportunity and declaring the India pharma dependence on Chinese APs, a threat to nation and APs and KSMs within the country. So this includes approval of 3,000 crores project to set up 3 bulk drug park in India. So coordination with the states as well. So the 20% financial incentives which is announced by the government for the next 6 years for the manufacturer to make the 53 critical bulk drugs which are turned to be used to make the medicines. The scheme is expected to reduce the manufacture cost of the drugs in the bulk as well as dependency with the other national countries. So what are the possible changes? If you look at after COVID-19, as mentioned, the particular incentive amount which is announced by the government, that is one. Second, the lessons which pharmaceutical companies has learned after this COVID period, since their dependency is more in China, probably after this COVID period, they will be reduce the dependency. Coming to the job front. So what are the major job with a pharma company which has? R&D is the major scope where the pharmaceutical company which has. If you look at what are the qualifications required for the R&D kind of job which involves in the pharmaceutical companies. Starts with BSc Pharmacology, MSc Pharmacology, MD Pharmacology, MBA Pharma, B Pharm, M Pharm. I can list very few courses which is available in India. If you look at other countries, there are plenty of opportunities and plenty of courses which is available in foreign countries. So people majorly who want to pursue their higher education, they are more focusing on their abroad rather than going with the Indian education system. And the skill set which we are lagging. So that is the reason pharmaceutical industry in India has not grown as like similar with other countries. Now India government has to focus more on their skill set and as well as in the education front. The summation of this particular video. So the growth of the particular industry would be tremendous, particularly this financial year 2021. And the scope of the industry and the government new regulations which is going to give the next level the pharmaceutical companies has to step into the global market. We'll see the detailed report in upcoming video. Thanks for watching our video. Do encourage us by subscribing. Thank you.